if you want to improve the overall performance of your Windows 11 computer and reduce lag, follow these simple steps. First, open the Start menu and search for Settings. Once you're in the Settings window, click on Gaming from the left-hand side and then select Game Bar. Make sure the Game Bar is turned off. Next, go back and click on Game Mode and ensure that this option is turned on. Now click on Apps from the left menu and then select Startup. Here, you'll see a list of applications that automatically launch when your computer starts. Having too many of these enabled can slow down your system and increase latency. Go through the list and disable all unnecessary apps. After that, click on System from the left-hand side and then choose Notifications. Turn off notifications to prevent background interruptions that can affect performance. Next, open the Start menu again and search for Adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. In the new window, select Adjust for best performance. Then check the boxes next to Show thumbnails, instead of icons and smooth edges of screen fonts. Click Apply, then OK to save your changes. Finally, go back to Settings, click on System, and then choose Power and Back. Under Power Mode, click the drop-down menu and select Best Performance. If you're using a laptop, make sure you do the same for the On Battery option. Once all these settings are applied, restart your computer. This should significantly improve your system's responsiveness and reduce latency or lag. Let me know in the comments if these steps helped make your Windows 11 run smoother.